We'll guide you through how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 11. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get into this. You may want to go and share your PC's internet connection with other devices, so I'll show you exactly how you can do that. The first thing you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer and go and click on the start button at the bottom like this, and then go and click on settings. Once your settings loads, then all you need to do is go over to the left and press on network and internet. And what you then need to do is go and look for this option here called mobile hotspot. Go and click on it like this. Now, if you can't go and see this option here, it may be because you don't have either Wi-Fi built into your PC or a Wi-Fi dongle. So you will need that to go and share your internet connection. But go and click on it like this. And before we go and turn it on, there's a few settings we can go and choose. The first setting you can choose is where you're sharing your internet connection from. Go over to the right. As you can see, I've only got the option for Ethernet, but if I was connected to a Wi-Fi network, I could also go and choose that. And you can then choose how you share it over. So you can either use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, it's up to you. And then we can come down to properties, and under network properties, you can then go and choose the name of the network and the password. So what I'm going to do is go and switch on mobile hotspot like this. And just like that, it's now going to be on. So what I'm going to show you is connecting to it on my phone. Here we are in my phone's Wi-Fi settings, and just like that, I can then go and see my PC's network. And so then what I can do is go and type in the password, which it gave me. And just like that, I'm now connected to it. It's that easy. I hope you found this useful. Bye.